America's Sunshine State is witnessing a fresh disaster. A massive oil spill off the coast of California is threatening marine protected areas and popular beaches. Most of the beaches in Southern California are closed, and efforts are being made to clean up. A 15-mile stretch of coastline closed to the public. Fishing operations in the area halted. Authorities race against time to clean up one of California's biggest oil spill in decades. Public have been warned that popular beaches along the coast could remain closed for weeks or even months. Orange County health officials advised residents to avoid recreational activities on the coastline. The authorities also recommended medical attention for those exposed to the oil spillage. An exposure could lead to eye and skin irritation, headache, and nausea. Wild and marine life is already facing the brunt of the disaster. Several dead birds and fishes have begun washing up on the shores after 126,000 gallons of slick crude oil choked waters of Los Angeles. California has experienced the worst of nature's fury. Earthquakes, wildfires, floods, and severe storms have battered the state over many years. Authorities claim that California is susceptible to an array of natural hazards due to a combination of geology, coastal conditions, fluctuating weather, and seasonal patterns. A closer look can explain the crisis hovering over the state. California Department of Conservation authorities revealed that the state gets 2 to 3 earthquakes every year. These are big enough to cause moderate damage to structures. California's frequent twists with tremors is due to its prime location on the Pacific and North American tectonic plates. Recently, a 5.9 magnitude earthquake struck the California border on July 9, 2021. No casualties were reported, but millions were rattled. Heavy rainfall accompanied by storms causes severe floods and other disasters like landslides in the state. California incurs considerable amount of damage to cars, homes, and other structures every year. Southern California is the epicenter for flash floods in the state. Besides floods and earthquakes, wildfires have singed California, causing major damage to the wildlife and environment. Hot and dry weather conditions have turned these regions into a tinderbox. According to weather experts, climate change has been increasing the length of the wildfire season. That's not all. Drier and scorching heat conditions have resulted in the severity of wildfires. The infamous Dixie Fire destroyed the 150-year-old California town of Greenville. Close to 100 homes and other buildings were burned down in the fast-moving fire. 6 significant wildfires, including the Dixie Fire, one of the largest blazes in California, have ravaged the state completely this year. California has seen prosperity and destruction in equal measures. But the big question is, will nature's fury and man-made crises overrun the riches of America's Golden State?